this is Shastasar, and for today's video, I'm going to show you the Tsubaki Tower's premier sky outdoor wedding place and the Hyatt's Jewel by the Sea Chapel here in Guam, USA. Just a disclaimer, I am not part or I'm not working with ARLUIS Wedding Company. I'm not paid to do this vlog. I just want to share with you guys all of our experiences looking at their chapels and knowing what they can offer. Remember in my previous vlog, we had a tour about the Crystal Chapel, which is located in Hotel Nico, Guam. It is owned by the ARLUIS Wedding Company and they do have lots of wedding chapels and places here. So my husband and I made sure that we check everything first before we decide where to go for our wedding. In this video, I'm going to tell you the cost, the pros and cons of having a wedding in Tsubaki Tower's premier sky wedding outdoor place and the Hyatt's Jewel by the Sea Chapel. Let's start now! Hey guys, so I'm now here outside of Tsubaki Tower. This is the parking lot. That's alright.
The Tsubaki Tower is the newest hotel here in Guam, which is beside the Hotel Nico Guam.
Now, our windows are automatically tinted, so they are they end up clearing up the thermal control.
Okay.
So in the event that this is something that you guys choose, the entrance for you guys will be at the front. Okay. If you guys in here to the room in the event that it rains.
Okay. If it will rain.
Yes. So in the event that you guys are already doing your ceremony outside and it starts to rain, this is where it is transferred. And then the chair setup will not be like this. This is just a temporary setup. Depending on the amount of guests, sometimes you're seeing it this way, or sometimes it's an angle. And yes, wonderful views you have. So this is one style of our decoration. This package, you can choose any one of the three that we currently have. And then below here is your welcome board, so you'll have your initials for you and the ceremony date.
Okay.
And that will be like outside, so you guys can have your view. So in the event that it doesn't rain, this will be Francesca's family side, because this is the right side, always have the left. And then Joel's family side will be on that side. You two will be in the center here. And then out of the three floral decorations of your choice, we will set them up in the center. So the center will be the pastor and you two.
Want to go walk out in the middle so you can see where you want to stand?
Yeah.
We also, in this package, it's also inclusive with the pianist, singer, and also the saxophonist. Yes. Just be careful because it was in here.
So until here, right?
Yes, and then if you look right above you guys, there is an awning. So in the event that the sun does, that's will retract it and we'll that's blocking it.
Okay.
Yeah, but depending on how severe it is, we don't usually open up when we guests. And then the only thing that is not allowed up here are outside decorations, and we're going off of the policy from the hotel. So they don't require anything that would fly. A lot of the floral decorations are heavy, so it's to prevent anything from flying. And then this room that's adjacent here, this one we will go ahead and I'll escort you guys in. This is where your guests will be waiting during the start of your ceremony, because before the ceremony begins, your guests will arrive first. While you both are inside your room.
Thank you.
This is a little funky one here. So these are option one. So the lanterns will be on the side of the area that you would be walking in, Francesca. And then the other one would be that's option two. And then the white ones right here is option three.
Okay.
Yes.
But it has the same rate.
Yes.
Okay, so it's up to me if I want this.
Yes, there's no fee for any of this because it's already included in the package. So it's just a matter of your personal choice.
Okay.
Yes. And then we do have a package for this specific chapel that also includes party. So there's two different packages that we have. One that's at $4,000, that's the standard package, and it includes the junior suite. The other package that we have is inclusive of the reception. I'm going to take you guys over to the Milano Grill just to show you the intimate. The capacity for this specific restaurant is of 18 to include both of you. Now the only reason is because there's a room that we have contracted with the hotel.
Okay.
So this is the room that's reserved for our company. So you see how the capacity is very minimal. That's because there's a little lounge area for you guys and your own private terrace for family members to do smoke cigarettes and everything like that. This isn't a docking station, so you will be having some of the chefs come in and personally make dishes for you guys. So this is the only difference from downstairs, because downstairs it would be considered a course menu as well, but no personal chef. Whereas with this one, you have the TV and everything else.
Okay.
That, but
Yeah, we only have like 15.
okay. Oh, then this would probably be really nice for you guys. That would be comfortable.
She has no family here.
Okay.
I got a couple of friends that fly in.
Oh, okay.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, of course. Then that could be something that we can accommodate. I know that.
So
Go ahead.
I would rather.
Yeah.
How about this? What's this?
So this one is for the restaurant itself, not on gas. But this restaurant is one of the top restaurants on Guam. I tried to make reservations here just to meet my family and
All right.
Now the good thing is like I said, the package includes a junior suite. Your junior suite is an oceanfront suite, so you do have access to the ocean. You guys, it's also cool. It is. Yes. And then we only have 2 wedding slots, time slots here. So you have the morning, which is the 9 o'clock, 9:30, and then you have the 4 o'clock. I don't know, like. Satisfying. Remember, this is your guys' ceremonial time thing. I want you guys to feel totally comfortable with what you guys choose. We'll take a walk out here and open until after 6. But for our weddings, they did give us access to this area here for the suite. Now the cool thing about this is that of course the restrooms, the venue on this side and the living room on the other side. And then photos can also be done here, provided that if you guys request for it, we usually let us send you downstairs or in the market area.
Okay.
And then if
See there. Ah, okay.
you guys will utilize this area, you will also utilize the bar.
I like the lounge.
You like the lounge?
Yeah.
So this
It's
is
beautiful.
a lot of the time they have the lights around the chairs, just because we call them professionals.
All right.
And then if you like to see the some photos, we can come and see that and check them out. So this travel, I mean, this hotel is to you can hear like water, you can sound like a massage.
Yeah, I can hear.
That's what it caters to.
Yeah.
So like even when you walk into the hotel, it's something that you see a little bit on the ground. They just all have time all around.
Yeah.
Over there. Oh, right up here. That's part of here.
So now you know about the beach area. So this is the Capitol Pool by the Sea. Before we go out this way, let me take you first. All the way out to the sea side. Just watch it. We're going to go through the side entrance. So the capacity for this chapel is 45. Okay, so your guests light up. The chandelier turns on. We do have the overhead lights. When your guests come, they will put all their personal belongings in here. So on each of you, they guys hold it. This one comes with only single pianist and pastor. And back here,
No saxophone?
no saxophone. And then these furnitures and pillows, they will be outside on our beach sands deck. And the 2 rooms are the staff rooms. We will be in here during the ceremony to avoid being seen. Upon entry to the start of your ceremony, you guys would come through here. And then the doors, they just are sliding doors.
Okay.
Yes. So when we say about renovation, what was recently done was this area, this is not how it looked. This chapel is actually like a 2-floor. So you come in and then you take a step down and then it will go through here. And then we did change out all of the crystals here. And then the flowers all came from Japan and then we went through here.
Okay.
And then also,
So it's like there's a lot of diamonds.
yes, so that's why this chapel is called Jewel by the Sea. The chandelier is in the shape of a heart from afar and it is Swarovski. And then the crystals are just artificial. It's more for the lighting.
Okay.
And then this is what I meant by the eyesore of tourism. We wouldn't be able to stop anybody from out here. That's public property.
Okay.
And then this grassy area here, that's in the gates. On the other side, that's another family property.
Okay. I like this.
Right, this one's beautiful.
Yeah, it is so big. Like,
Yeah. This is the Japanese favorite. This is
Oh,
the favorite chapel.
okay.
The only reason is because you kind of have the best of both worlds with the chapels and everything. Before the rain comes, let me take you guys outside. Here, family will be standing on each side, and then the 2 rocks that are here are speakers. So there will be music that will be coming out.
okay.
The gates will not be unlocked until you guys are going to be finished. We can serve welcome drinks to your friends and family over here. And the cushions that you saw inside will all be set up here. These are springable, so if you want to see colors on it, you can. This area here, we will have a wagon to hold all of the family belongings so you guys can go on the beach. Now, the drinks are served from the Hyatt hotel, so the F&B server will come through here, prepare it here, and then serve it to you guys. So there's a chair here, a lot of cushions, and a lot of pillows that say like love, laughter. But this is beautiful though. It's just like I said.
This is just a table.
Yeah, just a table for when you're done with your drinks, you place it here.
Okay.
How many people post up right here?
Guys, I wish I could give you an estimate amount, Joe, but I'm just not quite sure. Sometimes people don't really care and they'll just put stuff right here.
Yeah.
So what we
Because,
did.
you know, I've been just on the other side of these trees all the time.
Yeah. So what we try to do right now, the little trick is because the government is not maintaining this, we maintain it, but we leave it as is to prevent people from popping a squat here. So in the event that your ceremony is going to come, a few days prior, we have our maintenance crew come and they do some bush cutting, and then they make it really low so it looks more nicer. But as of now, we're trying to prevent people from coming here as to why we left it like that. Because the government, they don't maintain this for a while. They don't maintain it. So we think that it grows. It's not part of our contract.
Yeah, it's also beautiful here.
Yes.
Like they're going to wait for us here first,
Yes.
right?
So you guys would do, what it is you guys would do the flower shower, right? And then right after the flower shower, you guys all will go down to the beach
And take a
family,
picture.
and you guys would do the big group photo. Then we open up this gate here, we make your family and friends come here. They sit here and relax while you guys finish off.
Okay.
Let me think.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
You
can.
notice here that there are little padlocks. So what
Yeah.
this is from, they're ordered from Japan. They actually have the customers engraved initials on it.
Oh.
They order it, they bring it here, and then they lock it.
Oh, okay. So it's like,
Same.
yeah, so it's like we have Joe and Francesca.
Something like that. So some of them go as far back as 2015,
Mhm.
and then 2018, 19.
To whoever's playing on the
Yeah, something like that, yeah. But the unfortunate thing is it's only provided for the Japanese customers because they get it from the company.
Okay.
I'm gonna get a big padlock.
And then just put it there, right?
Welcome to USA.
So again, there'll be music out here.
You see
Yeah.
on the point, Francesca, brown building?
That's
That's the chapel for the Hilton.
Yes.
For the Hilton.
Yes. So there's actually two. So there's that brown one, and then right further down is the white pricing. I will individually send the packages so you're not overwhelmed. And then, if you guys want, we can drive back to the hotel. It's up to you guys, or I can.
Let me just. So this is the air conditioner, right?
Yes.
Okay. I saw something that you have a chapel wherein there's a
A big diamond.
yeah, like a diamond.
It was this one. It was this one, but we removed the diamond because that's part of the renovation. We can do that.
All right, that's beautiful. And then you just put this one here.
This one has always been here when we first opened.
Oh.
This is one of the signature.
Yeah, like it's very big when you see it personally, but when I take a video, it's like yeah, it looks small. Yeah, like the normal one.
Here, so let me show you some images. I'm going to show you first. Okay.
I love the forward.
Welcome to Jim It's very thorough looking information. So all you guys gotta do is try and work on your marriage license.
Yes.
And then let me know if you guys still want to do the packages that are included with the party. But I will
Yay! They are beautiful, right? Now let's talk about the details. So their representative gave us these two brochures, which consist of the inclusions and the pricing of the different packages that they offer. First, we do have the Crystal Chapel, which is located in Hotel Nico, Guam, and I will make a different vlog for this. Next one is the White Arrow Chapel. It looks like the Crystal Chapel, and this is located in Sheraton Laguna Guam Resort. However, by the time that we were looking for chapels, they were currently closed because the hotel is transitioning to Riga Royal Laguna Guam Resort, and some parts of the hotel were under renovation. Then they also included here the Hyatt Jewel by the Sea Chapel, which is on the ocean shore. And then we have the lookbook here wherein you can see all the necessary details, like if you wanted to do your ceremony here with the reception or just the ceremony only. And then you will also have the options here like add-ons for photo, videos, bouquets, flowers, and everything.
First, we have the Tsubaki Towers Premier Sky Eternity Package. As you can see, it says $6,000 or more than 300,000 pesos. This is an all-inclusive wedding reception package that includes the basic ceremony with the pastor, singer, organist, and saxophonist, the chapel usage fee. It includes also the wedding program, wedding coordinator, and planners. They also include Tsubaki Towers 1 junior suite room for one night with an early check-in. Reception at the Milano Grill with wedding menu for 10 people with open bar, a wedding cake, and 2 sparkling wines, and welcome board. You also have 2 options when it comes to the fake flower decorations. You will also have the basic boutonniere and bouquet, hair and makeup for the bride, ring pillow, photographer that will give you 220 cuts of photos, including ceremony, hotel, facilities photo shoots, and party for 2 hours. In the lookbook, you can see the menu A and menu B. Whatever you choose here, it will be still $6,000. So if you have more than 10 guests, you have to pay each excess guest either menu A, which is $130 or 6,500 pesos, or menu B, which is $150 or 7,500 pesos. And if there will be kids, it will be $50, which is 2,500 pesos. For those couple who have more than 20 guests, The Eternity wedding package with the reception cannot accommodate more than 20 people. So the ARLUIS wedding company also offers the standard wedding plan. It is $4,000 or more than 200,000 pesos. It has the same inclusion, but of course without the reception and cake and the wine, and without the hair and makeup for the bride.
From my perception, of course, the hotel is new and it's modern. I think that the reception area in the private room of Milano Grill looks expensive. They have a patio wherein you can lit your cigar with friends. Also a couch wherein people can sit there first before dining at the table. The good thing about the Tsubaki Towers Premier Sky Wedding outdoor place is that the ceremony area is near the reception area. The outdoor wedding place looks amazing. However, the reality here is that when it rains, you have to move to the other room that has mirror. You can still see the ocean. However, you will not have the same open space vibe anymore. Overall, I'm not really a fan of this outdoor wedding place, even it's on the rooftop, seeing the ocean, because I felt that it's not really a wedding place, or I wasn't able to feel the wedding vibe. It felt so casual, and I will have to worry if it will rain or not. About the Hyatt's Jewel by the Sea Chapel, they offer the luxury wedding package. It's $7,000 or more than 350,000 pesos, and it is more expensive compared to the Tsubaki Towers Eternity wedding package. So this luxury wedding package is kind of different from the Tsubaki Towers Eternity wedding package. Here, you don't have a saxophonist, but still you will have the singer and the organist. And they did not include the reception. You will not have sparkling wines and also the cake. The highlight of this luxury package are that the beautician will come with you from the ceremony, going to the beach area to do your touch-ups. You will also have 2 photographers that will give you 240 cuts of photos, including the ceremony at the chapel area, beach area. You will also have a flower shower, good for 20 people, a story film, and a Hyatt's Regency Suite, good for 2 nights with an early check-in.
We were not able to see the reception area, but I already saw that private room before when we ate buffet in Cafe's Kitchen of Hyatt Guam. It's at the same floor lobby area. These are the pictures. It has mirrors and you can see the outside view. Since the reception is not included, for sure this will be an add-on to the package. Just not sure how will be the transaction. I can see here in the lookbook that they have menu A and menu B, same rates from the Milano Grill of Tsubaki Tower. $130 for the menu A and $150 for menu B. That's per person. Of course, they do have a different set menu. Of course, if you will not get the luxury wedding package, you can get the standard wedding plan, which is $3,500 or more than 175,000 pesos, inclusive of the pastor, pianist and singer, ring pillow, venue decorations, bouquet and boutonniere, limousine for bride and groom from lobby to chapel, welcome board, wedding coordinators, preparation room for bride and groom, hair and makeup for the bride, and 1 photographer with 120 cuts of wedding photos, including ceremony and chapel area at the beach.
For me, the Hyatt's Jewel by the Sea Chapel is a beautiful chapel. I really felt the wedding vibe. They have this huge chandelier. They have this blue-colored glass aisle with fake flowers. It's just that when the photographer takes photos of you at the ceremony area, especially at the beach area, there will be some people who are swimming or sunbathing there and they don't care even there's like a wedding and people are taking photos. Of course, the company can't let them go because the beach area is a public property. It's not part of the chapel. Also, my husband was thinking before that our guests will have a hard time of walking from the chapel area going to the Hyatt's party place. It is not really that far, however, they have to walk a lot. Unlike in the Tsubaki Towers Premier Sky wedding area, the reception is very near. So we're also thinking of the convenience of our guests here. So this is the end of my vlog. I made this for couples who wants to get married here. I know that some of you are not from Guam, and I hope that this video helps you a lot considering these beautiful chapels. For the other details like add-ons for the photo, videos, flowers, and everything, I'm going to put that in my next vlog. Thank you and see you soon. Did you like the 2 places? Which one do you like the most? Comment down below!